Our journey begins at the bottom of the world, Antarctica, a land of stark contrasts and unparalleled beauty. It beckons us to explore its frozen mysteries. We embark on an adventure to witness the raw power and delicate balance of this extraordinary continent, a continent almost entirely covered by a colossal sheet of ice, a frozen realm that dominates the landscape. This immense ice sheet holds secrets of the past and shapes the future of our planet, holding most of the world's fresh water, a vital resource locked away in a frozen embrace. The sheer volume of ice is staggering, a testament to the power of nature's deep freeze. The landscape stretches endlessly, a seemingly infinite expanse of white that meets the horizon in a seamless blend. It's a place where the eye can wander for miles without encountering a single landmark, a vast expanse of white and blue where the ice meets the deep, mysterious ocean. The contrast between the frozen land and the liquid sea creates a mesmerizing visual symphony, silent except for the crack of shifting glaciers, a constant reminder of the dynamic forces at play. These subtle sounds echo across the vast emptiness, a symphony of ice in motion. Giant icebergs, sculpted by wind and water, emerge as majestic works of art, each one a unique masterpiece crafted by the elements. Drift out to sea, testaments to nature's power, slowly melting back into the ocean from whence they came. These floating giants are a constant reminder of the ever-changing nature of this frozen world. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and highest continent on Earth, a land of extremes that challenges the very limits of survival. The cold shapes every aspect of life, dictating the rhythm of existence in this frozen wilderness. It's a constant presence, a force that molds the landscape and the creatures that inhabit it, dictating where animals can live and how they survive, forcing them to adapt in remarkable ways. Only the most resilient creatures can thrive in this unforgiving environment. Despite the harshness, a surprising amount of life finds a way to flourish. Life clings to the edges, in the frigid southern ocean and on rocky summer shores, where pockets of relative warmth provide refuge. This is a land of superlatives, where everything is amplified to an extraordinary degree, where everything is pushed to its limit, testing the boundaries of what is possible. Antarctica is the world's largest desert, a paradox of frozen water and arid conditions, with high altitude and thin air adding to the challenge, making it a truly demanding environment for any living thing. Yet, life persists, resilient, adapted and balanced over millions of years, a testament to the power of evolution. The story of Antarctica is not just one of ice and cold, but a complex narrative of survival, adaptation and interconnectedness, but of incredible resilience, a demonstration of life's ability to thrive even in the most extreme conditions. It's a world full of wonder, waiting to be discovered, a place that inspires awe and reverence. Our exploration of this magnificent and fragile realm, a place of unparalleled beauty and ecological importance, has only just begun, and we have much to learn from this extraordinary continent. Here, the scale is humbling, making one feel very small, a tiny speck in the face of such immense natural power. The sun hangs low, casting a golden glow across the icy plains, casting dramatic shadows across the snow, accentuating the contours of the frozen landscape. This is a place of pure, stark beauty, a pristine wilderness untouched by the hand of man. Welcome to Antarctica, a world unlike any other. No creature is more symbolic of Antarctica, more intrinsically linked to its icy landscapes than the penguin. They are the embodiment of resilience in a land of extremes. These flightless birds have captured our imagination for generations. Their image is synonymous with the continent itself. These birds, in their classic black and white plumage, are instantly recognizable. It's nature's own tuxedo, perfectly suited for their dual lives. But don't let their formal attire fool you. They are masters of the sea, using powerful flippers, like underwater wings, to gracefully hunt for fish, squid and vast swarms of krill, the tiny crustaceans that form the base of the Antarctic food web. On land, their gait transforms. They waddle or toboggan across the ice on their bellies, a surprisingly efficient way of conserving precious energy. The emperor penguin, the largest species of them all, stands as a regal figure against the stark white landscape. It endures the brutal Antarctic winter to breed, a feat of endurance that defies belief. The males balance a single precious egg on their feet, shielding it from the ice during fierce blizzards, a testament to paternal dedication. Adelie penguins, smaller and spirited, are known for their feisty personalities. They meticulously build nests from stones and squabble relentlessly for the best nesting spots. Penguin colonies are bustling hives of activity, teeming with life and constant motion. The air is filled with their chatter and the constant social drama of penguin life. Survival is a constant challenge. Predators like leopard seals lurk in the water, and skuas patrol the skies, always on the hunt. And the cold is relentless, a constant threat that demands resilience. Penguins rely on thick layers of blubber and meticulously maintained waterproof feathers, and they instinctively huddle together in massive groups to endure the worst blizzards. Their remarkable survival is a testament to their cooperation, their incredible adaptation, and their unwavering spirit. In this vast frozen kingdom, penguins are more than just inhabitants. They are the very heart of Antarctic life, a symbol of life's tenacity in the face of adversity. The Southern Ocean teems with marine mammals, especially seals. On ice, seals seem awkward, but in water they're agile hunters, insulated by thick blubber. Weddell seals dive deep and maintain breathing holes in the ice, while crab-eater seals filter krill with specialized teeth. The leopard seal, a top predator, hunts penguins and young seals, keeping the ecosystem in balance. Whales, the giants of the ocean, arrive in summer to feast on krill swarms. Humpbacks breach spectacularly, while orcas hunt in coordinated pods. The sight of a whale's fluke against icebergs is unforgettable. These animals are vital to the Antarctic food web. Every day here is a drama of survival and adaptation. The wild majesty of Antarctica is written in the lives of its seals and whales. Beyond penguins, Antarctica's skies and cliffs host remarkable birds. The wandering albatross with its 11-foot wingspan soars for thousands of miles, rarely touching land except to breed. Snow petrels, pure white and ghost-like, nest in rocky crevices far inland, blending perfectly with the ice. Brown skuas, bold and opportunistic, patrol penguin colonies, stealing eggs and chicks and scavenging carcasses. Each bird species has carved out a niche, surviving against the odds. Their presence adds to the rich tapestry of Antarctic life. In this extreme environment, every meal is hard-won. Antarctica's avian wonders are a testament to resilience and adaptation. Beneath the drama of whales, seals, and penguins lies the true engine of Antarctic life, krill. Tiny and shrimp-like krill forms swarm so vast they're visible from space. Their total biomass outweighs all humans on Earth. Krill feed on phytoplankton and in turn sustain nearly every large animal in the Southern Ocean. Without krill, the Antarctic ecosystem would collapse. Krill migrate daily, rising at night to feed and sinking by day to avoid predators. Their swarms are a spectacle, turning the water pinkish red. But warming oceans and shrinking sea ice threaten their survival. Commercial fishing adds further pressure, making careful management essential. The fate of krill is the fate of Antarctica itself. Antarctica may seem barren, but life persists even here. On the peninsula, 2 flowering plants, hairgrass and pearlwort, grow in sheltered summer patches. Mosses and lichens, true pioneers, colonize bare rock and survive freezing, growing slowly for centuries. The real richness lies beneath the ice, where algae form the base of the marine food web. These under-ice gardens feed krill, especially during the long winter. On the seafloor, sponges, sea stars, and corals thrive in the cold, stable darkness. These deep-sea communities are unique, shaped by millions of years of isolation. Scientists are only beginning to explore these hidden worlds. Even in the harshest places, life's creativity is boundless. Antarctica's under-ice world is as alien as another planet. Antarctica's climate is the most extreme on Earth. Unimaginable cold and relentless wind, the coldest temperature ever recorded, -89.2 degrees Celsius, was measured here. Katabatic winds formed by dense air flowing downhill can reach hurricane force, creating instant whiteouts. The air is so dry it draws moisture from everything, making dehydration a risk. Seasons are defined by light. Endless summer days fuel ocean blooms, while winter brings months of darkness. Most animals migrate north for winter, but a few, like emperor penguins, endure the polar night. Antarctica's ice sheet reflects sunlight, helping regulate Earth's temperature. Cold, dense water from here drives global ocean currents. What happens in Antarctica affects the entire planet. Its climate is a crucial part of Earth's health. Scattered across Antarctica are research stations, outposts of science and discovery. Scientists endure extreme conditions to study geology, climate, and life in this unique environment. Ice cores reveal Earth's climate history, while biologists track wildlife and study the vital role of krill. The clear atmosphere makes Antarctica ideal for astronomy, peering deep into the universe. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, sets aside the continent for peace and science, banning military activity and mining. International cooperation is the rule, not the exception. Antarctica is a natural laboratory for all humankind. Here, nations unite in pursuit of knowledge. It's a hopeful example of global collaboration. Antarctica is a vital part of our planet, a keystone in the Earth's climate system. Its immense ice sheet plays a crucial role, helping to cool the globe by reflecting solar energy back into space. This natural process is essential for maintaining a stable global temperature. Furthermore, it regulates sea levels, acting as a massive reservoir of frozen water. The stability of this ice sheet is paramount to coastal communities around the world. As the planet warms at an alarming rate, Antarctic ice melts at an accelerated pace, contributing significantly to rising sea levels. The consequences of this melting are far-reaching and potentially devastating. This, in turn, raises sea levels and poses a direct threat to coastlines worldwide, endangering millions of people and vital ecosystems. The unique and fragile wildlife of Antarctica faces unprecedented new threats. Warming oceans and the alarming shrinking of sea ice are disrupting their delicate habitats, making it harder for them to survive and thrive. The delicate food web, which is anchored by the abundance of krill, is increasingly at risk due to these environmental changes. Responsible tourism and minimizing pollution are crucial and must be carefully managed. We must act now to preserve this pristine wilderness for generations to come. Antarctica remains the last great wilderness on Earth, a place of unparalleled beauty and scientific importance. It is a treasure for all humanity, a global commons that deserves our utmost respect and protection. Its protection is about more than just safeguarding penguins and seals. It's fundamentally about preserving the overall health and stability of our entire planet. We have a profound responsibility to minimize our footprint and tread lightly in this fragile environment. We must actively work to preserve its unique and wild character for future generations. Antarctica stands as a powerful symbol, a beacon of peace, scientific discovery, and the awe-inspiring wonder of the natural world. Ultimately, its future hinges on our collective stewardship and commitment to protecting this precious resource.